You will need 2 mercerized cotton yarn in color gray and navy blue, a 1.75mm crochet hook, 2 O-rings, a pair of scissors, and tape measure. Let's start with the O-ring. We're going to create single crochet along with the O-ring. Grab your yarn, make sure the ends are aligned, then create a slip knot. Wrap the working yarn around your point finger, loosen up the loop, insert your working yarn into the loop, and pull through. Now, grab your O-ring and place it along with your loop, like so. Then, grab your hook, insert your hook into the loop and into the O-ring. Right here, after which, pop a single crochet, wrap your working yarn into the hook, and pull through into the O-ring, like so. Then, yarn over and pull through all the loops. Now, pull the initial tail nice and tight to secure the O-ring. And we're done! We may now proceed to the foundation chain. Let's start with a chain of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pop a treble crochet. To do so, yarn over 2 times. 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the very first chain right here. Then pull through. Now we're going to pull through 2 loops. So yarn over and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through 2. And lastly, yarn over and pull through 2. And that's how you create a treble crochet. Let's proceed with 12 sets of single crochet plus chain 1. So that will be 6 sets on each side of the foundation chain. To begin, chain 1, then pop 6 single crochet plus chain 1. Let's start. Insert your hook into the treble space right here. Insert your hook, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2. So that's how you do single crochet. Again, insert your hook and then yarn over and pull through 2. After which, chain 1. So that's 1 set. Again, create single crochet and then chain 1. That's 2. Again, insert your hook into that treble space right here. Yarn over and pull through 2. Plus chain 1. So that's 3. Pop a single crochet, chain 1, and that's 4. Again, pop a single crochet, chain 1, and that's 5. Last set, insert your hook into that treble chain space, single crochet, and then chain 1. Now evenly distribute the 6 sets of single crochet plus chain 1 like so. And let's proceed to the other side. Again, we're going to create 6 sets of single crochet plus chain 1. So turn your work upside down and insert your hook into that treble chain space and pop a single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and then chain 1. So that's 1, pop a single crochet, chain 1, 2, pop a single crochet, and then chain 1, that's 3, single crochet, chain 1, that's 4, pop a single crochet, chain 1, that's 5, and last set and 6. Now again, you're going to evenly distribute the 6 sets like so. To complete our first cluster, we're going to slip stitch the last chain into the very first chain right here. So insert your hook into the loop and into the very first chain right here, into the V-shape like chain here, and slip stitch. And we're done with the first cluster. So we're going to repeat the steps all the way through until you finish your cord. Again, let's start with a chain of 4, 2, 3, and 4. Now create treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the very first chain right here, pull through. Now we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, 1 at a time. Let's start with the 2 loops here. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through 2. And last 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And that's how you do a treble crochet. The next step is to create 12 sets of single crochet plus chain 1. 6 sets on this side and another 6 sets on the other side. To begin, chain 1, then pop 6 sets of single crochet plus chain 1. So insert your hook into that treble chain space, single crochet, and then chain 1. So that's 1. Pop a single crochet, then chain 1, that's 2. Pop a single crochet, chain 1, that's 3. Single crochet, chain 1, that's 4. Single crochet, chain 1, that's 5. And last, single crochet plus chain 1 and 6. Again, evenly distribute the 6 sets of single crochet plus chain 1. After which, let's proceed to the other side. Turn your work upside down and insert your hook into that treble chain space and pop 6 sets of single crochet plus 1 chain. So insert your hook, single crochet, chain 1. Again, insert your hook, pop a single crochet. Again, from the start, insert your hook, single crochet, and chain 1. So that's 1. Insert your hook, pop a single crochet, and chain 1. That's 2. Single crochet, chain 1. That's 3. Single crochet, chain 1, 4. Single crochet, chain 1, that's 5. And last, single crochet and chain 1. So that's 6. We're going to slip stitch the ends together. So insert your hook on the very first chain right here, or on the V shape like chain. Insert your hook and then slip stitch. Before we continue, evenly distribute the other side to finish off cluster number 2. So you're going to repeat these steps all the way through until you finish your cord. You need to create 2 750 centimeters long cord, and I will be back once I'm right at the end. I'm almost done with my second cord. To secure the cord, what I like to do is to chain 2. So that's 1 and 2. Then cut the yarn. Make sure to cut 6 to 7 inches from the loop because we're going to include this tail later on as we attach the tassel. Okay, so cut your yarn 6 to 7 inches from the loop. After which, pull up the yarn and we're going to scooch the chain down. And make sure to pull it nice and tight to secure your cluster. And I'm done with my two 750 centimeters cord, and let's proceed with the tassel. We need 3 24 inches long yarns. To do so, grab your tape measure and your scissors. Measure 24 inches right here. So that's 24 inches. Then cut the yarn. Make sure not to cut your tape measure. So you need two more 24 inches long. And we're going to combine all these three yarns. Align the ends together. Like so. Now grab the other end. And the middle part. And make sure to align it along with the two ends. After which, cut the middle part. And we are done with our tassel. And we're going to create two tassels for our two cords. Let's proceed. Grab your cord. We are going to attach the tassel into the space right here. So grab your hook and insert it into the space right here. Wrap your tassel around your hook and pull through. After which, grab your initial tail right here and include it along with your tassel. Now, wrap the tassel around your hook and pull through. Pull up the tassel. We're almost done now. Make sure to pull it nice and tight to secure your tassel. And don't forget to cut your initial tail right here. So make sure you align it along with the tassel and cut the initial tail. And we're done with the first cord. So we're going to repeat this pattern into the other cord. And I'm done. Let's proceed with the ornaments. I will be having a separate in-depth tutorial for these flowers because it is pretty much complicated. So I will discuss it on my next two tutorials. So let's set this up and let's see how it looks like. So this is how I arrange the ornaments. The medium-sized wagon flower are on either side of the two-row wagon flower. The three lavenders as the tassel for my main wagon flower. And the two mini wagon flower will be placed over the tassel. Let's finish this up and we're done with our project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next week and bear in mind to create.